If you've been trying to make a super wide video project in CapCut, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set a 5120 by 1080 resolution in CapCut, step by step, so you can create that ultra-wide panoramic look for gaming edits, cinematic montages, and custom widescreen projects. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and easy workflow guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and create a brand new project. Once your project opens, import the clips, images, or footage you want to edit. You can drag your media into the project bin so everything is ready to go. Before changing your canvas size, it's important to make sure you're starting from a clean project layout so you can adjust the settings without accidentally selecting a clip. Now, to access the project settings, click on any empty gray area in your timeline to deselect everything. This step matters because if a clip is selected, you may not see the correct project controls. After that, look over to the far right side of the screen and find the Details panel. In that panel, click the Modify button. This opens the project settings, where you can change the resolution. Once the settings window appears, look for the resolution section. By default, CapCut usually has it set to something like Adapted, but for a custom ultra-wide format, you need to change it manually. Click the drop-down menu and select Custom. Now you'll see fields for width and height. In the width box, enter 5120. In the height box, enter 1080. This creates the 5120 by 1080 aspect ratio, which is perfect for a cinematic widescreen layout. After typing both values, click Save to apply the new resolution to your project. At this point, your project canvas should now be set to the custom ultra-wide format. But there's one more important thing to do. Make sure your clips actually fit the layout properly. Drag your video clips onto the timeline if you haven't already, then select a clip and go to the Video tab on the top right. Open the Basic panel and look for the Scale slider. Use the Scale slider to zoom in or out until your footage fits the frame the way you want. Depending on the type of content, you may want to stretch the subject across the screen, center it in the middle, or scale it for a more dramatic panoramic effect. You can also reposition clips so the important part of the frame stays visible in the ultra-wide canvas. If your footage looks too small at first, that's completely normal. A 5120 by 1080 project is much wider than a standard video format, so a little adjustment is usually needed. Take your time and preview the clip as you scale it. This is where you can get creative and decide whether you want a clean cinematic look or a more dynamic widescreen style. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to set a 5120 by 1080 resolution in CapCut and how to adjust your clips so they work inside that custom panoramic canvas. This is a great setup for ultra-wide edits, monitor-style visuals, and creative content that needs extra horizontal space. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.